What's up, guys? It's Nathan here again, and today I'm going to show you a fairly easy method for making dilute nitric acid at home using easily obtainable materials. So yeah, here we go. Alright, to start here, I have about 40 grams of potassium nitrate in this jar, and to that I'm going to add about 25 milliliters of water. So there. It appears to have cooled down a little bit. Just kind of stir that around. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to add about 50 milliliters of this hydrochloric acid, which you can get as for cleaning sidewalks. Let's measure this out. Alright, I'll add that in here. Oops, spilled a little bit. Should be fine, it's not that strong. Okay, that's in. So here I have a shallower kind of bowl. I'm going to add some water into that. That's probably good, maybe a little more. Alright, and that's going to become the nitric acid. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick this smaller jar inside this one, like so. And now I'm going to add an excess of copper. I think that's about 20 grams copper. And I'm going to stick this slightly larger jar over it, upside down, like that. And so yeah, it should start reacting. It's probably going to take a little while. I'll be back when it starts to do something. Alright, you can see here it's starting to bubble a little bit, and that's going to speed up in a little while. Oh yeah, see, there it goes. Basically the copper is reacting with this, forming nitrogen dioxide, which is then being forced through the water, which it'll dissolve into nitric acid, forming nitric acid, of course. Oh, there you go. Alright, it's been a little while. It's bubbling faster now. Not sure if the camera can see this or not. Yeah. I added a little bit more water because it was just leaking out and not absorbing in the water. But yeah. Yep. Alright, it's bubbling quite a bit faster now. And you can see that sometimes the bubbles, when they pop, they're releasing nitrogen dioxide into the air. So not all of it's being dissolved, but it does work fairly well. I'm gonna stand upwind of it. Alright, the bubbling has slowed down quite a bit. Oops. And the nitrate copper and acid mixture has turned black. Yep. Alright, I can probably go ahead and take this off here now. Maybe I'll let it sit for a little longer. You can see it filled up with nitrogen dioxide. Get all that out of there. Looks like it's still reacting, so I'm going to leave it in there a little bit longer. Alright, so this looks like it's about done. I'm going to take this off. And then this looks fairly dissolved. And now this should be our acid. And I have a little piece of copper here, and it should start bubbling when I put it in, which it does. So this is in fact nitric acid. And I'm going to pour it into this jar. Okay. Alright, here's the rest of it that I put in this bottle. It is fairly dilute, but it does dissolve copper, although probably very slowly. You could probably purify it. What I'm thinking about doing is doing another batch, but instead of using water in the bowl to put this in, and that should make more acid. So yeah, thanks for watching, all that good stuff, and peace.